above.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We hope you all are doing well and enjoying the beautiful fall season. Recently, we embarked on our very first camping adventure, and to be honest, when we were initially planning this trip, we weren't entirely sure that we could pull it off successfully. In fact, we contemplated booking a hotel for our overnight stay. However, we decided to take the plunge, and what followed turned out to be one of the most incredible experiences of our lives. Our journey began in downtown Toronto, where you can already see the vibrant fall colors in the video. As we headed towards our destination, the landscape transitioned into a captivating tapestry of deep reds, oranges, and yellows. The journey itself was a scenic delight, with lakes lining the road and towering trees adorned with the rich hues of autumn. Upon reaching Arrowhead Provincial Park, we were met with a truly awe-inspiring view. We had pre-booked our campsite for $65, inclusive of taxes and vehicle parking, securing site number 226. The moment we arrived, it felt like we had stopped into a scene from a movie. Maple leaves blanketed the ground, and the trees displayed a symphony of colors. Our campsite came equipped with 2 benches and a well-prepared campfire pit. We even took a stroll to check out the restroom facilities, which were conveniently nearby. The park had a water filling station and 3 to 4 clean washrooms, with a dishwashing station just a stone's throw away. Confidence in our camping abilities was soaring. We returned to our campsite and proceeded to set up our trusty tent, a 2-person double-layer backpacking tent that we purchased on Amazon for $125. It proved to be both windproof and waterproof, and its user-friendly assembly was perfect for first-timers like us. Additionally, we arranged a fire pit for our evening campfires. To ensure we followed park rules, we purchased wood and kindling from the park's visitor center. Remarkably, my husband had a nifty mini fridge at home that connects to the car and keeps drinks cool, which came in handy. After setting up our tent, we sat down for a well deserved lunch that we had prepared at home. With our hunger satisfied, we were eager to explore Arrowhead Park. Our first stop was Steps Falls, a mesmerizing sight that allowed us to get up close and admire its beauty. This is how the trails were looking there. It's amazing. Next, we headed to Big Bend Lookout, where the panoramic views took our breath away. Our adventure continued with a visit to Row Beach, a serene and peaceful spot surrounded by the vivid hues of autumn leaves. It felt like our very own private beach. As the sun began to set, we made our way back to our campsite and prepared a delicious dinner. My husband whipped up some guacamole to accompany our nachos, a personal favorite of mine. You can find the recipe in one of our shorts if you are interested. Then we tackled the task of lighting our campfire. While it was our first attempt, my husband's extensive research on YouTube tutorials made it look like we were seasoned pros. We grilled chicken sausages, toasted hot dog buns, and brought our ketchup, mustard sauce, chips, and beers to complete our camping feast. We enjoyed every bite. This is how our first day of adventure went down. We loved each and every moment of it. Stay tuned for our next video where we will share highlights from our second day of adventure. If you are in Canada, we highly recommend visiting this park for a camping experience you will cherish. If you have any questions or want to share your own stories, please leave a comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, take care and enjoy your own adventures.